Woman, physically fit, physically fit, physically fit, woman, physically fit, physically fit, woman, nice, sweet, fantastic.
Nice, sweet, fantastic, physically fit. Joining us this morning to tell us how 10,000 steps a day changed her life and led her to start her own walking club is content creator Denille Renee. Her name is Denille Ashwood, but she said her name that she's using is Denille Renee, okay? Make sure you look her up online. Welcome, my darling. How you doing?
Thank you.
Then I have to ask you though, my darling, 10,000 steps a day though, you normally hear say maybe in a week, maybe a month, but this is a lot in a day though.
No, and you know, it's actually easier once you get the groove of it. It's like nothing to you. Maybe like an hour and a half. Easy peasy.
And you have all that 10,000 steps in that hour and a half?
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
And if you walk at a faster pace, it will be easier for you. But I'm a gentle walker.
You walk on a treadmill or you walk up a hill, you walk where? Roadway?
Okay, so it depends. So like when it's carnival time, I have to do hill because you know,
yes,
you want to look your hottest.
Getting ready for the road.
No, it's very serious.
Yes.
Yeah. So carnival time, when I'm preparing for carnival with Gen X, I always do the hill. But on a daily basis, I walk in my sister's scheme with her and my niece. So they keep me accountable.
I like that.
Yes, it's a little family time. We'll get to catch up with each other. Yeah.
That's nice. I mean, Denille, if it is that you just do the 10,000 steps within that hour and a half, that would mean that for the entire day, you're clocking more than 10,000.
Definitely. Just start your day on the best note possible.
Okay.
Yeah.
What actually prompted this fitness goal?
To be honest, I lost both of my parents to cancer, and it kind of made me want to think about my health a little bit more. And I wanted to do something that was sustainable, not something that I would start and then stop. Because, you know, every January you join the gym, and then March the gym don't see you back, and the gym clothes get old, and everything just get tired and dusty. You don't really keep up with it. So I wanted to do something that was sustainable, and I saw a few creators overseas doing 10,000 steps per day, and I was like, I think I could try that. And then on my first day, I did like 4,000 steps. I was like, tired. I said, this is not for me. I'm not so sure. And then I was telling my sister and my niece about it. And they're like, nah, we think we could do it. Let's try. And so we tried. At first, you know, it was like 7,000, 8,000 at once until we got to 10,000. And now 10,000 is nothing to us.
Yeah, you have to start somewhere, right?
You have to start somewhere.
You have to start somewhere. Have you seen any results so far, though?
Yes, definitely. I look completely different from when I started, but I have a lot further to go, and I'm excited to see what's next for me.
What's the date? Did you, like, on what date of January you started?
Actually, I started in October, so that was the next thing last year. So one of the things that I saw people saying was, you don't need a January to kickstart or to improve your health. And I was just like, yeah, that's so true. You don't need January. You just need discipline and interest in your health. And so I just took it up on a random Wednesday in October. So it wasn't even the beginning of the week or anything. It was just, and I just decided that I was going to commit to it.
You just tried. It's interesting though, because now you are 10,000 steps ahead than where you started in October.
Definitely.
What else has changed though?
Okay, so when I just started my journey, I had carnival in mind. I had carnival in mind, and usually when I play mass, it's always in like an extra large costume. So I had the aspiration to jump in a large costume. So I ordered a large, not knowing if I would be able to fit in that. But I have to fit in a costume. So at that point, it was no longer aspiration.
I don't think they do exchanges. So hey, girl, yeah.
And so this year for carnival, I've actually ordered a medium costume.
What?
No, yeah. So like, I gotta get on my Zoom.
When is carnival again?
Yes, April.
Yes. I feel you can get there though, honey. I do feel you can get there.
Try my best to get there because I confidently ordered my medium costume already.
Which is right. Which is right.
And I also did no sugar beverages rather. I think everybody has their own vice that, you know, is affecting their health. And for me, it was definitely sugary beverages. When I used to see those Ministry of Health ads, are you drinking yourself sick? I would just turn it off because I'm like, why is Chris attacking me? Come on. That's weird. Yeah, so that was definitely one of my most difficult struggles. So I had to cut off sugary beverages.
Okay, I'm proud of you for that though. What was that like though in terms of making that decision looking at the sugary drinks, passing it by, and what are the alternatives that you discovered that
girl.
yeah,
You
man.
had withdrawal.
Yeah, yeah.
Did you have withdrawal?
Majorly, when you're going through sugar withdrawal, you're sad. You just don't even know why you're sad.
Because your body...
You feel like, oh my God, I need a pep. You don't need no pep. Go and eat some fruit. You don't need no pep. But I fell in love then with the zero calorie water
Just
from
like
Price
sparkling
Mart.
water.
Yes,
Girl, we have cases. I believe you.
Yeah, that's all I drank. Just the sparkling water, regular water, and just think about Carnival and how I want the costume to fit me. When I pick up my costume, I was so nervous. I said, God, don't tell me I was in over my head, but it definitely fits. So, that worked out, and I'm hoping that I'll be able to tell you next time that this one fits.
No, but listen, we're going to follow your journey online for sure.
No.
Are you thinking about joining a gym at all?
Oh, yes, definitely. Yeah? That's like, you want to level up a little bit more, you want to get toned. So a gym is definitely something that's going to be in the future.
That's great, Denille. Now, talk to me now about this walking group that you started for Kingston and Portmore. Tell us about that.
Okay, so with walking with my sister and my niece, I'm always documenting it. So it's in my vlogs, it's on my page, and people are like, why can't we walk with you? And I'm just like, is that safe? And I spoke about it with a few friends, like, what would that look like? And I'm like, are they going to kidnap me? I don't know what to expect, because it's people online. But I just decided to open my heart and my mind to it. And so I just have a sign-up link that I send out each week in my broadcast channel. And so people can sign up each week to walk with me. And signing up is really just me keeping you accountable to call you and say, Talia, come out of the bed.
Right. Long time in the see you. Where have you been?
Where have you been? And we're in the channel and we check each other, Yeah. And so it's a nice community. Everybody's friends. We walk and we yap. It's a whole heap of chat. If you love to chat, you have to come. It's a whole heap of chatting and good vibes, and people make friends there. And it's a good opportunity to get your steps in and also make friends. It's really fun.
Yeah. Have you consulted any at all with like a dietitian or somebody who will tell you, these are the things
I'm not there yet.
Okay, got it.
I'm not there yet. I must admit, if you go on my page right now, it's bare food reviews. Oh, the blood of Jesus. Yeah, but I'm not there yet, but I'm still cognizant though of what I eat in terms of like a calorie deficit. I still try to maintain that because, as I say, I really want the costume to fit me.
So tell me then, you get up in the morning, what do you eat first?
Okay, so I get up in the morning, I am hooked on oat milk now. So one of the things that I quit was dairy, which was very, very hard. I'm one of those people I would say is addicted to dairy. Somebody'd have to sit down and say, hey, you have a problem. But now I've switched to oat milk, and that really helps. So in the morning, I probably have like either yogurt and granola or oat milk and granola.
Okay.
That usually starts my day. Or I do boiled eggs and just the eggs, ladies.
Okay.
Just
I'm proud of you.
Bread.
Yeah.
So
Proud of you.
No,
okay.
I've always been a limited on bread person though. So that's not about their lifestyle. I've just never been into it.
And then for lunch?
And then for lunch now, Debbie, I'm going to eat bad food. You're going to see it on my page. I'm not going to tell people any lie. So I start off well. And I do a green juice as well. I do green juice, granola, yogurt. But trust me, lunchtime, by that point...
You're going to eat your rice and peas and them something the same way.
By that point, I've been led astray, guys.
No. so Denille, talk to us now. What would you say is your next mission, your next goal that you want to accomplish? Yes, you mentioned the size medium for your carnival costume. But in addition to that, are you planning to increase your steps? You're planning to work on the diet a little more? What else? What's next for you?
Yes, this year is definitely a diet year for me, and I'm trying to lose 30 more pounds this year, fingers and toes crossed, in a sustainable way though. I don't want to become really hooked on it now and then the next day I'm not doing anything and I'm not interested and then I'm right back at square one. Like, I'm really afraid of that. So I just want to do things that are sustainable. So I want to improve my diet bit by bit. So like when I weaned myself off of sugar, I realized you can do without sugar. And then when I weaned myself off of eating fast food, every single time I want to eat fast food, I realized, hey, it's not that bad. It's just baby steps until you get to the point where it's a lifestyle and not a fad. I don't want to get into the whole fad dieting thing and, oh my God, I'm counting this and I'm going to buy the scale now and then in 2 months the scale full of dust. I just want to do something that feels good and is long lasting and I can see constant improvement on my health.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Well, we're going to be following you. It's at Denille Renee?
Okay. At Denille Renee _ on every platform. Yes.
Okay, my darling. Well, people have to sign up on, is that paid thing?
We can sign up.
No, it's not a paid thing.
Okay.
It's good vibes. It's good vibes, man. No paid thing.
And what day of the week you walk?
I walk on Saturdays and Sundays. So Saturday, I walk in Kingston at Emancipation Park.
Okay.
So my Kingston peeps, that's where it's at. And for the Portmore people, I forgot to send you that location in
Got
the
it.
email.
Oh,
I live in
slide in the
Pomar. It's a
DM.
little, that one is a little bit more.
Private. You know,
Yeah.
you mentioned out by Palisados as well. Have you ever tried there?
Oh
How's
my
that?
God, I love a Palisados walk. Palisados hates
Me
to see
too,
me
girl.
coming.
Yeah, clear your head, beautiful
Yes, the
scenery. Yeah, man.
Yeah, and you
Believe
do, when you go back and forth, it's 13,800 steps. So you get a little bit more,
Oh,
and
you
it's
get a little
so
bit more,
nice.
that's
You get a little
nice.
more.
Yeah.
So when I want a little tips, but I actually do that walk, interestingly, at night. That's my night walk.
Oh, it's nice
So
to
I
do that
I
at night,
start
yeah.
at like 8 o'clock. I know that sounds crazy, but it's me and my friend Lexi, and we just yap until we're finished.
We're going to sign up with you, Danielle.
Yes.
All right? We're going to
Good
sign up.
stuff,
Thank you so
girl.
much
Good
for being
stuff.
with us
Thank
this
you.
morning. That was Denille. We're actually walking it into the break right now, but there's more We Can Smile right after. We soon come. We're going to walk to it. Soon come.
I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. You like to move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it.